Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is May 4th. I'm finally out for a ride. We've had an ungodly amount of rain all of May and even into June. We've had so much rain. My yard is just like, you can't even walk in it. You get your feet all wet. It's just so much rain. I mean, I haven't had the water use my sprinklers, but look how flooded everything is. That's the creek that goes by my house too, but it wasn't too bad. Usually if it rains like 3 or 4 days, my backyard is completely flooded, completely underwater, but it's not yet. So we've had rain every day. We had a really bad thunderstorm come yesterday. I saw lightning hit like right outside my house. It must have hit some house. I didn't see it, but I don't know if it hit a house on the other street or not. Then I saw another big flash on the other side of the house. Thank goodness it didn't hit our house. But I should go through Royce City. Lightning hit this old church and it burned it down. I might go through there. It's so sad. It was a nice old church too. It was pretty. And the lightning struck, and I don't think it burned it completely down, but it's I'll have to go look at it. Just fill up full of gas and go take a look. It's 90 degrees, but it's really not that bad. It is when you're standing still, but moving, it's not that bad. I changed helmets. I had a G-Max helmet, but it's got lights. You can press a button and there's rear lights on your helmet. You can set it all the way on, flashing really fast. But I had they weren't working, so I had to Google it. Man, there's 2 AAA batteries right in the back up here that was simple to change. So at night, if I ride, I'll have turn that light on the back of my helmet too. That can't hurt. But the G-Max helmet is really snug, but I think it's going to help because the other helmet I had was loose, and it rattled on my head and made my nose itch. This one maybe not so much. I just got to get used to having it so tight around my cheeks and everywhere else. I like the helmet though. I got the GoPro on it. I already had it hooked up for the GoPro. I just had to put my Cardo on it with the mic and then the other mic so I could vlog. Well, it should be working. I tested it yesterday and it worked. I'm gonna go up here and get some gas. I got it yesterday. I filled up my truck and it was $2.82. Probably went up again. Bye. Well, hello there again, YouTube. It's still was it May 4th? I'm almost to that church that got hit by lightning. It's sad. I think it's more than 100-year-old church. It's been remodeled, so the outside looked nice still, but really sad. It's a pretty church too. Oh, that's terrible. Look at that. Not all of it burnt, just the front. Wow, that's crazy. So the whole church didn't get destroyed. I don't know what was on the front. That's so sad. Lightning's dangerous. I've seen it hit. Oh God, I remember one time we were on the Goldwing coming back from the Midwest, and we got hit in a storm, and lightning was striking like 8 feet from us. You could feel it on your skin. You could just feel it. And it was striking everywhere and pouring down rain. And we were stranded on the Goldwing and couldn't pull over. And I told my wife, we get hit by lightning, we're dead. There's no way. And it was just, that's the last trip she ever took. Well, that And we ran through a tornado on the way up there. Trees blowing across the road, and I'm thinking, oh my God. That's why she'll never go with me again on long trips. That was her last one. Well, that's sad about the church. I like Roy City. They got a lot of good restaurants downtown. We go to Luigi's, which is my favorite. We've been to a lot of the other ones. Bye. Well, that's the third time I stopped with that left side saddlebag popping open. I think I got it stuffed. I have a Spyder bag. I think I got it stuffed too full of, I got rolled up warm clothes, that kind of stuff. I think I got it stuffed too full. So I put it in the front frunk, and see if that pops open anymore. It's popped open before. I had a guy honking at me one time when it was open. It's weird. It shouldn't be opening. Maybe the roads are so rough it's just popping open. I can tell it says there too. And I look back in the mirror and it's open. Probably got it stuffed too full and it's like popping it open. Let's see if it pops open on its own. Man, the roads are rough. All the roads up here are really bad. They're not smooth like I was from the Austin area, and the roads are gorgeous there. Here they're full of holes. They're drop off, they cut off and drop off, and you could fall off the road and throw you in another lane. It's just, the roads here are suck. I mean, we pay $12,000 a year in taxes. What are they doing with the money? They're not, oh, see the road drops off right there? They're not fixing the roads. I think we need a new road commissioner for sure because they suck. Bye. Oh, Lord. Well, it didn't shut off. Shield all the way open. Let's see if it's really noisy. I'm actually slowing down for a stoplight here. But the shield's all the way open. I don't know. See if it's this helmet seems to be a lot quieter. It fits so stinking tight. Squeezing my head and my cheeks. Bye.